This is the Reset RIPR, aka RIPR, by Madbull. The RIPR stands for Rifle Integrated Power Rail, and through strategic alliance by the Reset Company, alongside Laser Devices Incorporated, the RIPR was designed as a central power unit to all of a weapon's electronic devices. The US government is currently reviewing the RIPR as a standard accessory for all future weapons. Madbull has created a full-scale replica of this rail and has it available for all M4 AEG and gas blowback M4 platforms. The RIPR comes available in the gas blowback and the AEG platform. The gas blowback platform features the RIPR Madbull RIPR rail with attachments, 2 thumb screws, and 2 Allen wrench screw attachments. Its one-piece design allows you to connect your rail system and your upper receiver and have it connected together and make it rigid. The RIPR is in a matte black finish that Madbull is very famous for, and also includes the RIPR trademarks, fully licensed. Now, because the RIPR system on the gas blowback version cannot power your electronic devices, you can use it as a ready mag system. Simply insert the mag, and there you have it. All you have to do is remove the mag, switch to previous mag. As you can see, it also has this button that allows you to press the bolt release after inserting the new mag, like so. The AEG version for the RIPR system does not power electronic devices like reflex scopes and laser devices. However, it allows you to power your AEG. Simply take the battery box that's included and take your LiPo or NIM or NiCad battery, but it must be within this dimension, which is similar to the Madbull PX01. Take a screwdriver and press out the pins, like so. And you'll expose the Tamiya connector. Simply connect the connector and insert the battery. Put the lid back on. There you have it. As you can see with the RIPR's battery box, there's the positive and negative plates for connection. Simply insert it into your RIPR system, and the prongs inside the RIPR will connect to the battery box, and you'll be able to shoot. Now, as you can see with the AEG version, you have the Tamiya connector, and the rail system is slotted inside, which allows you to insert the RIPR system. Simply connect the rail system, the RIPR rail, and run the wire under to where that slotted area is. The AEG version of the RIPR has the same exact dimensions as the blowback version, including the 2 thumb hole screws and the Allen wrench screws, and is a great addition for your AEG or gas blowback platform. This is the Reset RIPR by Madbull.